Hi everybody, Justin Caldwell here with Caldwell Equipment. I've got a really good deal on a lightly used SnowDogg V plow, and I want to show you the details on it. So here's the plow right behind me here. So this is the VXFii V plow by SnowDogg. This is an 8'6" snow plow. It's a lightly used model. It's actually a demonstration plow. So it's been used, but it's going to sell as brand new with a full factory warranty. You can tell it's got a few scuff marks on it here and there. Most of the cutting edge is still intact, and it's going to have a full factory warranty with it. So this is going to be a really good deal. The V plow and the 8'6" model in particular is actually our #1 selling plow. So it's a really good model for, you know, the efficiency of being able to scoop and move a lot of snow. And you can also, of course, windrow like normal. You get the V cut mode. V plow is just about twice as productive as a standard straight blade plow. But this SnowDogg has the rapid link hitch system, so you can have this on or off of the truck in about 30 seconds. So really convenient there. Let me zoom in on the price tag and explain the pricing here. So the regular price, this is if you want to use a 3.99% for 54-month financing. You get a discount here for the cutting edge price. On this tier, you can pay with a credit or debit card, or you can get an 8.99% for 72-month loan with a really low payment. And then the cheapest way, of course, is the cash price. So at $68.95 cash, you could actually do cashier's check, or do a 0% for 6-month loan, and we can still honor the cash discount. So sometimes people will use that even if they have the cash. So that's how the pricing works. Now, one thing to keep in mind on this plow, our pricing is actually our package pricing. So it includes the truck-specific mount and wiring harness for your particular vehicle included in the price. So you get the remote control, the headlights, of course, everything that you need for the install, except for the labor to do the installation itself. And we can do that here. We've got factory trained technicians that can do the installation for you. We also can ship these plows just about anywhere really reasonably. So lots of options here. If you call us or text us at 636-586-9607, we'd be glad to help you with this plow. Now, if this video just posted, then great, we've got this plow. Give us a call. If this is an older video and you're watching it, please give us a call anyway. We keep these demoed plows every year, and many times, even if we don't have a demo available, we've got new plows at basically the same pricing as what you've just saw on this price tag. So a lot of times we can get you really awesome buys on brand new plow packages. We're one of the largest SnowDogg dealers in the country. So look us up at caldwellequipment.com. If you want to see what our live current used inventory is, go to caldwellstore.com. But we look forward to seeing you. Hopefully you give us a call or shoot us a text. If you've got any questions, we'll make a custom video for you. We'll help you choose a plow for your vehicle. We also sell tons and tons of salt spreaders. So give us a call here at Caldwell Equipment. Thanks a lot.